Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. So I hope you guys liked my last video. So yeah, today's look is this. We're just going basic, we're just chilling today, nothing too crazy. Yeah, so if you guys want to achieve this look, keep on watching. Don't forget to grab your snacks, your drinks, your waters, whatever you guys prefer, and let's head on to this video. Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video, I'm gonna be like a no talk through video, no talking video. So I'm going in with my sunscreen, my halo sunscreen in L. So this is the only clip I'm gonna talk through. The rest you guys are just gonna see how I'm gonna be applying my makeup. And I did my brows off camera. Okay, so I'm gonna start and you guys will just see what I'm doing, and I'm not gonna be talking. So stay tuned and let's hop to the next clip. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. Something simple, not too crazy. Hope you guys like my no talking video. It was just get ready with me, just a quick natural, like I don't really have eyeshadow. Yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification bell so when I drop new videos like this you guys will be notified. Until next time, you guys, bye.